Good morning, children. Once again, I'll just revise what is done in the last class. You know about Bolti Gufa. Bolti Gufa means Bolti means speaking or talking. Gufa is cave. So it is speaking cave. Already you have learned all these things, isn't it? पाठ का परिचय इस पाठ में शेर और सियार की कहानी के द्वारा लेखक ने बताया है कि बुद्धि बल से श्रेष्ठ होते हैं. Already I have told you what is that? Your thinking power should be more than your physical power, physical strength. Okay. Then पाठ का उद्देश्य पाठ का शुद्ध पठन करवाना तथा अपनी बुद्धि से समस्या को सुलझाने की प्रेरणा देना. So if you are in trouble, what you have to do? You have to use some ideas and you have to come out of your problems. That is the meaning here. So here I just read it for you once. Listen. Then afterwards again I will explain. किसी जंगल में एक शेर रहता था. एक दिन वह बहुत भूखा था. दिन भर भटकने पर भी उसे भोजन नहीं मिला. अंत में निराशा होकर वह एक गुफा में जाकर बैठ गया. उसने सोचा रात में कोई न कोई जानवर जरूर यहाँ आएगा. उसको मारकर उसी से अपनी भूख मिटा लूंगा. ऐसा सोचकर वह दिन भर उस गुफा में बैठा. रात होने का इंतजार करता रहा. रात में एक सियार वहां आया. उसने अपनी गुफा के बाहर शेर के पैरों के निशान देखे. वह समझ गया कि शेर गुफा में गया तो है पर बाहर नहीं आया है, क्योंकि गुफा से बाहर आने के निशान गुफा के बाहर नहीं थे. वह अच्छी तरह समझ गया कि गुफा के अंदर बैठा शेर उसका शिकार करना चाहता है. Okay? So two members were there. One is what? The lion. The other one is fox, or you can say it is jackal. Jackal or fox. Okay. So here, as per your textbook, they have given jackal, so you can take it as jackal only. Now, what happened here? This lion. किसी जंगल में एक शेर रहता था. So there was a lion in one forest. एक दिन वह बहुत भूखा था. So what happened? One day it was very much hungry. It was feeling so hungry. दिन भर भटकने पर भी उसे भोजन नहीं मिला. So a full day it went in search of food. That means hunting of animals. But it did not get any food on that. It did not get any animal to eat. अंत में निराशा होकर वह एक गुफा में जाकर बैठ गया. So finally it got tired and under depression it felt very bad, felt very sad, and then what happened? It went to a cave and sat inside the cave. उसने सोचा रात में कोई न कोई जानवर जरूर यहाँ आएगा. उसको मारकर उसी से अपनी भूख मिटा लूंगा. So what happened? Sitting in the cave, it thought, by night one or the other animal will definitely come near this cave. So let me wait in this cave, and when it comes, I'll just pounce at it and then hold it and kill it. So that will become my food. It thought, and it was sitting in the cave, waiting for an animal to come. ऐसा सोचकर वह दिन भर उस गुफा में बैठा. रात होने का इंतजार करता रहा. So sitting there the whole day, it was sitting there in the cave, waiting for an animal to come so that it can catch it, kill it and eat. So it was just waiting to become night. So night means normally all the animals will go back to their houses, isn't it? Houses with their own shelters. So it was just waiting. इंतजार means it was waiting for animal to come. रात में एक सियार वहां आया. So what happened? During that night, one jackal came there. When the jackal came near the cave, what happened you see? उसने अपने गुफा के बाहर शेर के पैरों के निशान देखे. So what happened? This jackal was moving, It came near the cave. What did it see? It saw the impression of the lion's footprint, isn't it? See, you can see the footprint here. Can you see the footprint? So this footprint is showing that it has gone inside the cave. Can you see? Because it is shown forward, front. Okay. So it was seeing, this jackal was saying, oh, this lion is already there in the cave. It is waiting for a hunt. So I should be very careful. This jackal saw the foot impression there, footprint of a lion, which are showing to the front direction. That means it has gone inside. That direction its footprint was there. What happened here? रात में एक सियार वहां आया. So there came a jackal. उसने अपनी गुफा के बाहर शेर के पैरों के निशान देखे. So what happened? It has seen the impression of the footprint of the lion. वह समझ गया कि शेर गुफा में गया तो है पर बाहर नहीं आया है, क्योंकि गुफा से बाहर आने के निशान गुफा के बाहर नहीं थे. So it understood, yes, lion is inside the cave because I can see the footprint showing towards inside. It is not shown outside. So I am very sure this lion is waiting inside the cave to kill animal. So I have to be very careful. This thought in the mind, because it could see there was no footprint of lion coming outside. The footprint was showing that lion has come inside, but it has not come outside. It was very clear for this jackal. Yeah. So what happened? See, once again I will read for you. वह समझ गया कि this jackal समझ गया, it thought, it understood. वह समझ गया कि शेर गुफा में गया तो है, it has gone inside, पर बाहर नहीं आया है. So it has not come outside the cave, क्योंकि गुफा से बाहर आने के निशान गुफा के बाहर नहीं थे. So there is no footprint for the lion which has come out of the cave. So it understood that. वह अच्छी तरह समझ गया कि गुफा के अंदर बैठा शेर उसका शिकार करना चाहता है. So it understood very well that the lion is inside and it is waiting for an animal to come so that it can kill this animal and eat, isn't it? So that is what it understood. Jackal understood. Jackal was very clever animal, so it understood the idea of the lion. Okay, once again I will read. Listen to me carefully, children. किसी जंगल में एक शेर रहता था. एक दिन वह बहुत भूखा था. दिन भर भटकने पर भी उसे भोजन नहीं मिला. अंत में निराशा होकर वह एक गुफा में जाकर बैठ गया. उसने सोचा रात में कोई ना कोई जानवर जरूर यहाँ आएगा. उसको मारकर उसी से अपनी भूख मिटा लूंगा. ऐसा सोचकर वह दिन भर उस गुफा में बैठा रात होने का इंतजार करता रहा. रात में एक सियार वहां आया. उसने अपनी गुफा के बाहर शेर के पैरों के निशान देखे. वह समझ गया कि शेर गुफा में गया तो है पर बाहर नहीं आया है, क्योंकि गुफा से बाहर आने के निशान गुफा के बाहर नहीं थे. वह अच्छी तरह समझ गया कि गुफा के अंदर बैठा शेर उसका शिकार करना चाहता है. Okay, so you have to read it. Hope you have understood the lesson. I'll continue in the next class. Thank you.